In this video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark in Adobe Acrobat. Now to do this, you want to open your document and then you want to go to the top left here and you want to click on this button, which is going to open up the bookmarks. So here you can see all your bookmarks. I have some already. You can just basically scroll down and of course you can find inside your document where you want your bookmarks to be. So let's say you want some random words over here. I'm just going to select this one over here, like this part over here. And then when you select it, you simply want to click on this button to actually add a new bookmark. Now, as you can see, it's going to add the bookmark. It's going to be named after this text, and whenever you click on it, it's going to take you over there, okay? So that's basically how to do this. That's the first way to do it. But if you don't want to add them like that and you want to be much more efficient and quick, you can just go and basically highlight over text, press Ctrl and B on your keyboard, and as you can see, it's automatically going to add a, of course, new bookmark over here. So if I do it like that, for example, as you can see, they're getting added, I can click on top here, click on any of these, and it's going to take me over there with just one single click, and I can make bookmarks very easy using the Ctrl+B command on my keyboard. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.